Hello everybody, welcome back to another latest price prediction video about BTC, what's going on in the Bitcoin, what's the price changes occur. Let's start the video guys. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe channel and also join my Telegram group. Link is available in video description. BTC is completely in consolidation from last few days guys. It's completely in consolidation. Just look here guys. So what is the current scenario for BTC? Currently the market is completely in a downtrend, 0.09% guys, but BTC is completely in consolidation. So according to my personal prediction, maybe the price stay here from a long time, from few days. So maybe scenario for BTC that it will test $32,000 guys. Scenario for BTC that it will pump a little bit guys. A little pump is coming in a BTC. So before the price pump, if you want to buy, best time for buying guys. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video for more update, for more details about BTC. Join my Telegram group guys, because I just shared Telegram group latest update.